How to iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Motorola G100. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search dynamic sport. Now click on dynamic sport. Click on install. After click on install, wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open. Click on next. Now here you will see four options. Select tab, notification access, draw on screen, data protection. First of all, click on select tab. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want, and if you want to select all app, then click on all. Now go back. After that, click on notification access. Again click on notification access. Click on dynamic sport and turn on this button. After turning on this button, now go back. Click on draw on screen. Click on allow. Again click on draw on screen. Click on next. Click on dynamic sport and turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on allow. After that, click on done. This is how you can iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Motorola G100. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.